Yeah, but will it give you a shock?
No, because the battery doesn't have enough current. A battery that small will not shock you.
But the battery in the car will.
Well, in a
Here, Dad, that's the top of the car. Look at it.
Wow, it has a circuit on it?
Done. Hey, Dad, take a picture. I'm gonna bring it to Allie. Allie! I did something I've never done before. Allie, look what I did to the car. Oh, I actually did all the bolts and opened it up. Why did you do that? Because I opened it. I'm gonna bolt it back together.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, let's get these two bolts in first. Yeah, I think they go here. Where's that bolt?